of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from ISEE Hair. Just in case you are interested, check below in my description box because there will be links and details to this wig. But I'm in a rush to get into this wig because I'm so excited. This is like a builder wig. Like I said, I've been itching to open it because I don't know what's in here. I know that it's different type of pieces, so you might see me struggling trying to see what's going on, but we about to just see. If you're interested in this little bob, I think the video should be up either before this one or after this one. I'm not sure, but just check my channel. So I've been waiting to do this, y'all. So let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, so it says designed by ISEE and it says let's build a wig with block wig. So this is called block wig. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. So that is what it's looking like in here. And I just really have no idea. So let's see. It's just packaged so nice. What's up in here? Stop. Ooh, it's got some color in it, y'all. Okay. Alright, so what's in the bigger box? It looks like just a full wig. First of all, it smells really good. Second of all, the quality is just amazing. It feels like butter going through my fingers. I love the length. I love a good little colored wig. So is we about to switch it up? Like, is we going from a color wig to what? Like, what we doing? Okay. This is what the hairline looks like. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? So the hairline looks pre-plucked. The lace is pre-cut. It does give you a set middle part, but of course you can part it wherever you want to. Now, let me see. So right here, the knots are bleached. The lace is pre-cut. The hairline is plucked. The lace looks melty, like it's going to melt, okay? This does look like a 5x5 lace. So it gives you 2 combs in the front. It also sets you up with this little removable elastic band, of course with the grippy pieces, so it can stay secured on your head. You can have the option to wear it glueless, and it also gives you a nice little thick adjustable strap in the back. It's not your typical adjustable strap, and it also gives you a comb. I'm not sure the length, but I think it's maybe between 24 and 26 inches. It's a long one. I can't get over the smell. It smells very delicious. I'm like totally excited. Okay, so we have this wig. I want to see what's in these smaller boxes. So we have, that one was block RB, which was a whole wig. So now this is block R. So what we doing with this? What is the construction like? And then in the wig we have like a little zip piece, so I'm guessing all of this detaches itself and then you're able to put another piece on. So I'm really not sure, but I'm very curious to see. So before we do that, here is this wig. Ooh. It actually fits great. I definitely feel like I can wear this glueless. Do y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Stop playing with me. Stop playing. Oh! Alright, I'm super excited. Okay, so this is what this is looking like. It's real spicy, okay? Like, what? How much is this? Like, what are we doing? I might have to put the price on the screen for this one because This is exclusive. Okay, so this is looking real small. Let me see what this is. This one is, and the boxes look like little blocks. How cute. So this is block R. What we got, block R? I mean, it's rolled in. What is block R? Both of these is black R. So okay. What we doing right here? What is this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's nice and rolled up. Stop playing. Stop playing. Okay, so look at that. This one has like a faux scalp on here. I'm really a fan of the faux scalp, but I mean, it's doing something. It doesn't look bad at all. Look at that. The hairline's still pre-plucked. Has the zipper part on here, and it also has 2 combs in the front. So that's what that is doing. Now let's get to the other block R. ISEE hair. Y'all is real creative over there. Like that. This is. I'm impressed. I am impressed. What? So it's rolled up real nice. What is this one? Is this one like without the scalp? The faux scalp? Please let it be without the faux scalp. Cause what is this? What are you? Yes. Oh. This is a whole like frontal peak. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Look at that. Okay, bleach knots. Extravagant like pre-plucked hairline. You don't have to do anything. Come on. So look at these two. Shorty one up front, woman right, woman we can get. All right, so what is this? So this one I can never get enough of a bonnet because I always end up losing them, and I be having an attitude when I can't find my bonnet. It's just be like, well, what? You grew legs and just walked away. I don't understand. So, and then the second one, it gives you a wig cap, and they also give you the little elastic bands that you can add to the wig for extra security if you wanted the wig glueless and all of that good stuff. So let me demonstrate. Again, this is what this one is looking like. Okay, close up and personal. Y'all see that? This is how far it comes. Real cute, real cute. Okay. Alright. So it's like kind of a clip that you would find in a bra, in your bra. So it clips like that. And then it's a clip on the other side. So I guess that's what's holding it in place. And then you would unzip it. So it's just zipping right off, y'all. Stop. Okay, it's zipping right off. Like what? Okay. So this is the back piece, and then this is the front piece. So we just gonna move this to the side. Alright, so we gonna hook, y'all see that? We gonna hook this on here like so. And then, oh my god, stop. And it's real easy, like the hair is not even getting caught. But once it's zipping, I clip it so it's secure on both sides. I just clip that piece in there. Voila. But we're going to try this one on. But this, oh my god, like stop it. It's done so well. You can't see where it starts. Like you can't see the fabric underneath. You can't tell that I have on a black stocking cap either. Like the hairline, just the lace, just like everything, just. So this is what this is looking like, and I feel like these parts right here is really long, so I will probably have to customize that, because as you can see, like that is what that's looking like. It's very long, but it's long enough for you to, like I said, customize it. So I like the fact that it's too long rather than being too short. He is okay. And here is the parting for this. Sorry y'all, but while my camera is charging, I'm using my phone because I really want to get this video done. So yeah, this is what that wig looks like. And alright, so I switched back to this one, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, from doing wigs, like reviewing wigs for such a long time, it really gets repetitive, but I haven't been this excited and happy over a wig in such a long time, because it's just, it gets to the point where it's just like the same wig, like it's the same thing. But this one really caught me off guard. How dare you devour like this? How dare you? How dare you? Like, this is what? Like, this is crazy. Like, this wig ate the girls up. I already flat on this side, but like, y'all see it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, but I didn't put no heat to, like on the top. I didn't do anything, and I'm not putting no heat to the top. It's just flat like this. It's just flat.